Hi guys, I'm Denis. We are here at the launch of Mercedes-Benz latest flagship limousine, which is the S560e plug-in hybrid. We are also here today for the special premiere in Southeast Asia for the first time, the all-electric EQC SUV. Now, to tell us a little bit more about these two cars and the Mercedes-Benz latest initiative, let's get into the backseat of the S560e and talk to someone very special. Hi Mark.
Denis,
how are you doing today?
Wonderful. Sitting at the back with you of the newly launched S560e.
This is Porsche.
It's the utmost, the ultimate luxury in terms of automobile being excellence.
Now, Mark is the Vice President for Sales and Marketing of Mercedes-Benz Malaysia.
Correct.
So let's try to find out a little bit more about the S560e, which we are seated in today, as well as the EQC.
Correct.
So Mark, just when we thought that there'll be very few EQC models to be introduced, you surprised us today, and we have the S560e. So tell us how we got here.
I mean, last year in May we launched our electric mobility brand EQ, which stands essentially for electric intelligence, which is a way forward for Mercedes-Benz into the next generation automobile. Electric mobility is the answer to that, and we planned this big stunt, launching 3 cars to the Malaysian market at once. The S560e, the pinnacle of luxury, meeting the next generation car which we're sitting on. It's the ultimate luxury automobile. It's got everything you would want to, from the highest degree of luxury, impeccable comfort, and also technology wise being benchmark. But the star or the highlight of this car is obviously its plug-in hybrid powertrain.
That's right.
And it's locally produced in Malaysia, and that's why it's a very good package, let's say it that way. Parallel to that, we launched the C300e, which is a product unveiling, which showcases the broad range of EQ power models which we have actually available in the Mercedes-Benz portfolio. And then I would say the star of today, the Southeast Asia premiere of the next generation car, the EQC, fully electric with 2 electric motors. It's a stunning car.
When do you think that the EQC will be ready for the Malaysian market?
We're going to start deliveries third quarter 2020, so okay, in a year from now. And we're very excited to have this premiere for Southeast Asia here in Kuala Lumpur today, to also gauge the interest, to actually show customers what this car is about, to showcase the capabilities, and to also educate the market in terms of how great electric mobility can be.
Okay. And the C300e is not officially launched yet.
It's product unveiling. It's
a product unveiling, and we are obviously looking forward to that. But what kind of prices do you think we will get for the C300e?
That depends. I mean, at the moment as we have it here, is a CBU car. Right. So obviously that wouldn't enjoy any hybrid incentives. If it's locally produced, any manufacturer has a chance of getting incentives by the government. So that obviously determines in terms of A, if we're going to bring it at all, and B, what pricing that car would have.
Okay. So today I put on a jacket for you, yep, because I understand
nice shirt.
This is your so-called final appearance in the public event, and you're moving on to greener pastures. It has been a fantastic 4.5 years. I mean, all of us at AutoBuzz would like to congratulate you and your team for the hardworking teamwork and elevating the brand to the highest level ever. Now, how would you describe your time here?
I think, I mean, first of all, thank you. It's been a spectacular 4.5 years. I think as a brand we've enjoyed the greatest of success. We've had each year a new sales record. We've more than doubled our market share. We've captured many new fans, many new customers. I hope that the brand experience also for all of these has really been impeccable, or we've given our best to ensure that. I think one of the greatest achievements which we've had as a company, but not only as a company but as a brand in total, including all our stakeholders, including our dealer network, is that we've transformed the brand tremendously over the last 4.5 years. We've got the progressive compact cars, the locally produced limousines, the premium SUV range by Mercedes-Benz, and the dream cars, which are essentially our brand shapers.
Tasty.
And Mercedes-Benz has always been a luxury brand, but now we live and breathe that modern luxury image which we portray, and I think we are undoubtedly the first choice in the luxury market in Malaysia. And the wide vehicle choice, the portfolio expansion, the product offensive which we've led over the last 4.5 years. I've personally done over 50 launches in 4 years, which has been quite an achievement. I think that really shows the open public, our customers, the consumers, that we mean business, that we want to offer the widest choice, that we want to offer the best product, and with that I think they're very happy with us.
Now that the brand has reached this level, where do you think it can go?
I think it can go to greater new heights, because a lot of work which we've done over the last 4 years is actually on the background, preparing future success, launching new cars, preparing future localization of cars in Malaysia, also expanding our dealer network together with our dealer partners, our local partners, ensuring that we've got sufficient service and after sales capacities. All of that is actually the foundation for future success, and I believe we've never been prepared as well as we are now for the future. And especially coming back to today's event, the EQ brand, that's the future of Mercedes-Benz, that's the future of the automotive industry, and I think we've done our homework and are prepared to drive the industry to new heights.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mark.
It has been a pleasure.
It has been indeed.
And see you in Korea.
Oh yes, I have to come.